This is just going to be an update video. Today was a crazy day, and I really had no time to put this video out there before, so I just decided to put it out there now. There won't be no premieres anymore on Sundays. I had to change it, due to private, personal stuff, work obligations, and also church obligations. We will change it probably Tuesday or to Tuesdays or Thursdays. For now, I don't know if we will have it again on Sundays or not. If yes, I will let you know. But for now, it's going to be Tuesdays or Thursdays. I'm back to work regularly tomorrow again. My time off is done. I'm officially back to work again. But nothing will change except the premiere times. So, and I do have some more videos that I'm putting on, some exposures that I'm working off as we speak. So keep your eyes open on the channel. Yeah, I still haven't decided about Tuesday or Thursday. I will pray about it, but as you know, I usually upload either a few hours on the same day. It's kind of going to be like a last minute premiere, or a day earlier. I will try to do it a day earlier. I'm kind of busy with two jobs, but I will do it a day. I will try to do it a day earlier. So let's say tomorrow if it's going to be Tuesday, or Wednesday if it's going to be Thursday. Again, I'm praying about it, and just keep an eye on the channel. I thank you for your prayers. I covet them. We appreciate them. We covet them, and I ask you to continue praying for me. And I just want to let you all know that I'm praying for you all, and I love you, and I thank you for your support. I'll be seeing you soon. So this is just a quick update. And that's pretty much it. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and God bless you, and see you all next week.